In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the default board labels in Monday.com. So, if you're ready to personalize your workspace and give it a touch that reflects your style or team structure, let's dive right in. The first thing you'll need to do is head over to Monday.com. Make sure you're logged into your account, as we can't begin these customization steps until you're inside your workspace. Once you're successfully logged in, take a moment to observe the layout of your dashboard. Familiarizing yourself with where things are can really help in navigating to the right sections quickly. Now, look towards the upper right corner of the dashboard. You should notice your profile picture up there. Although small, this picture is a powerful gateway to all the settings you might need. Go ahead and click on your profile picture. Doing this will bring up a drop-down menu. From this list of options, select Administration. This is essentially the headquarters for all your settings, where you can access tools to tweak, tailor, and personalize your Monday.com experience. After clicking on Administration, you'll find yourself in a new area, filled with opportunities to enhance your usage of Monday.com. What you want to look for next is the Customization tab. By selecting this tab, we enter a zone where your workspace's look and feel are entirely in your command. You're getting closer to adding that unique touch that reflects your team's workflow. Now, within customization, scan the options presented at the top of the page. For our purpose today, we're particularly interested in the Boards option. Select it, because this is where the specifics of how your boards display and function are fully in your hands. Once you're within the board's customization area, you'll see it's quite a playground for creativity and efficiency. It's here you have the power to make various adjustments to the default status labels. You can start by renaming the statuses to align them more closely with the steps and processes that best suit your workflow. Consider how changing their colors can also aid in better visual recognition, providing a quick, at-a-glance understanding of where tasks or projects stand. You might also want to reorder them, ensuring that what's most crucial shows up first, streamlining your team's operations. Once you've explored these customization opportunities and made all your desired changes, it's crucial to save your work. Scroll down towards the bottom of the page and look for the Save Changes button. Click it when you're satisfied, as this locks in all your careful adjustments, making them live across your workspace. And there you have it. In just a handful of simple steps, you've successfully personalized your Monday.com boards. These tweaks can greatly enhance communication within your team and bring an added layer of visual clarity to your workflow. Thanks for following along, and here's to streamlined and efficient planning on Monday.com. Happy planning!